Today we are making a delicious double Alfredo burger. Check the View Products button on YouTube to see the ingredients list. So let's start with our toppings. We have these multicolored little cherry tomatoes. I'm going to give them a quick rinse. Pick out any weird ones. And once they're clean, we're just going to dump them into a pan or a casserole dish to roast and add some shallot. We'll just take the skin off the shallot real quick and throw it in whole. And we'll add in some garlic cloves. And we can just remove those from the root and throw them in with the skins on. Once they roast, they'll just slide right out. Add olive oil, fresh cracked pepper, and a little bit of salt. Give it a little toss and we'll throw it in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until all the tomatoes start to burst. Let's get our meat ready. I'm using ground sirloin and we're going to season it to go with our Alfredo sauce. So a touch of olive oil because sirloin's a little bit low in fat. And we don't want this to be dry. Ground pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Dried oregano leaves. Salt, and give that a gentle mix. Try to crumble it with your fingers. Don't smash the meat too much or you will ruin the texture of your burger. And we'll let that sit in the fridge while we finish the rest of our ingredients. We are using a beautiful brioche bun. You can find this exact one under the View Products tab. We're gonna put them into a very hot skillet to get a little bit of toasting on them. Notice we're using 3 because we're making a double layer burger. We just want a little bit of browning on both sides. And that'll make the texture a little bit nicer and help it stand up a little bit to all the wet stuff we're going to put on top of it. This will just take 30 to 60 seconds if your pan's really hot. Perfect. Let's rip up some basil. Just twist and tear at it, and this will help the oils with all the delicious flavor meld when we toss this in with the tomatoes and roasted garlic and shallots. Our roasting is done. They're bubbling. We'll go ahead and remove the garlic and the shallot. Put the tomatoes into a bowl. And you can just squeeze the garlic right out of their skins and chop them up with the shallots. And we'll throw that mixture right back in with the tomato and throw in the basil and just give it a good old stir with a little bit of a smashing motion mixed in there. Perfect. I'm adding in red pepper flake because I want a little bit of heat. Now our meat has been resting while we do that, so it's gained even more flavor. And we'll make 2 balls for some nice thin patties. Those look great, so we'll throw them into our very, very hot skillet. Give them a quick smash. And then you just want to leave them alone for literally just 60 seconds. If you're hot enough, they will cook very fast. So there's our 2-minute burger patty. And it's time to assemble. Start with our tomato basil mixture. Add a burger. Add our leftover store-bought 4-cheese Alfredo sauce that I needed to get rid of somehow, and this seemed like the best way to do it. Bun, tomato, burger again, more sauce, and there you have it. A beautiful, messy, but delicious Alfredo sauce burger.